Hello. In this video here, we are going to go through the process of completing a manufacturing order. In the manufacturing order center here, you can see all of the available manufacturing orders in a release status and ready to go. I am going to select this manufacturing order number here, Xoro_stores-MO000403. So I right click and I'm going to edit in new window. What this does here is it opens up the manufacturing order, as you can see here. The order is already released. So I am going to go to the next stage, which is picking. I'm going to start picking. Yes. Picking is complete. You can see the inventory here, or the raw materials, have been allocated to the manufacturing order. Now we want to fulfill. Now it's been picked. We pick complete. Now the item is in work in progress. Here are the raw materials being consumed. I'm going to click produce. And what this does here is now the manufacturing order has been completed and we now have the finished goods. Just to recap, open status is a manufacturing order not ready to be released yet. In release status, that means the order is ready to be produced. In picking is when you go out to the warehouse to pick all of the raw materials ready for production. Once that has been completed, work in progress is assembling those raw materials into your finished good. Once the finished good has been completed, you then go to produced.